In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a free PDF to your Mailchimp subscribers. This process can be incredibly useful if you want to share resources, guides, or any kind of document with your audience without dealing with the hassle of email attachments. Let's dive right into it. Before we begin, make sure you have a couple of things ready. First, you'll need the PDF file that you want to send. Secondly, ensure you have a Mailchimp account with an established audience of subscribers you're planning to reach out to. Lastly, make sure you can access either the forms, automations, or campaigns section within Mailchimp because that's where all the magic happens. Now, you might wonder, why not just send the PDF as an attachment in an email? Well, Mailchimp, as a matter of policy and practicality, doesn't allow attachments in bulk email campaigns. However, there is a very handy workaround. You can upload your PDF to its Content Studio or host it on another file service, and then simply share the file link in your email. Let's go through how to do this using a regular campaign. Start by uploading your PDF file to Mailchimp's Content Studio. If you're unfamiliar, this is basically a library where you can store images, documents, and more. Alternatively, you can opt to host the file on another service if you prefer. Once uploaded, Mailchimp will generate a URL specifically for that file. Next, you're going to create a campaign. Head over to the Campaigns section of Mailchimp and either start a new one or edit an existing email. This is where you'll craft the message that will go out to your subscribers. When drafting your email, decide where you want to include the PDF link. You have a couple of options here. You could highlight a piece of text like Download PDF, or create a call to action button such as Your Free Guide. Both options work well and depend on how you want to engage your audience. To turn this text or button into a link to your PDF, use the Link tool. In the drop-down menu that appears, choose the File option. You then upload your PDF to associate the document with the selected text or button in the email. This ensures that when your email recipients click on it, they'll be redirected to your PDF file instantly. Finally, once everything is set up to your liking, send out your campaign. When your subscribers receive the email and click on the link or button, they'll have immediate access to your PDF. This method is effective and keeps your emails lightweight and easy to distribute. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to send a PDF to your subscribers using Mailchimp. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more Mailchimp tips and tricks.